In this presentation, we will discuss about completing the square. The presentation brought to you by watchmath.com. Notice that x plus half of b squared, if we expand this expression, you can have x squared plus bx plus b over 2 squared. And you can check the validity of this identity. You just need to use the distributive property of multiplication. Okay, now if we move this part to the left hand side, then we will get this one. X squared plus bx is equal to the difference of 2 squared. Okay, now let us try to use the formula to change this kind of expression into a difference of 2 squared. Okay, let's do some practice. So let's say we have x squared plus 4x. Okay, change this expression into a difference of 2 squared. Okay, so according to this formula, x, consider this plus 4. So half of positive 4 is positive 2 squared minus 2 squared. Okay, now let us do some other practice. X squared minus, say, 6x. Okay, according to this formula, it is equal to x, half of negative 6 is negative 3 squared minus negative 3 squared. Okay, now once more, x squared plus 3x. Okay, so x, half of positive 3 is 3 half squared minus, again we rewrite that same number, squared. Okay, now let us see some application of this method. Okay, suppose we want to solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so what we need to do is to look at this expression and change this x squared plus 3x into a difference of 2 squared, like what we did. So x squared plus 3x is so consider that part. This guy is equal to x, half of positive 3 squared minus 3 over 2 squared. So this expression replace x squared plus 3x, but we still have negative 5. Okay, so we have x plus 3 half squared equals, so if we simplify this, we have 9 over 4. We simplify this and we move to the other side, we have 9 over 4 plus 5, which is equal to 29 over 4. Okay, therefore if we take the square root of both sides, we have x plus 3 half is equal to plus minus square root of 29 over 4. Therefore x is equal to negative 3 half plus minus square root of 29 over 4. And if you like, you can simplify this a little bit more. Okay, now again, another application of completing the square. We have the following quadratic function. So we would like to find the vertex of this function, and again, to do that, we replace this expression by a difference of 2 squared using this formula. Okay, so y, now replace this as a difference of 2 squared. So x half of 4, which is 2 squared, minus 2 squared. So this expression replace x squared plus 4x, but we still have that negative 1. So we can simplify y equals x plus 2 squared. Negative 4, negative 1 is negative 5. Therefore, from here we can conclude that the vertex, usually denoted by letter h and k, is negative 2, negative 5. Okay, now do you think you understand all of this lesson? Okay, now if you like, you can test your knowledge and do this following exercise. So the first two exercises is about solving quadratic equation by using completing the square method, and the last two problems is about finding the vertex of a given quadratic functions. Okay, now you may pause the video and try to do the problem. Okay, see you later. I will be waiting for your answer on the comment section. I'm waiting for your solution for this exercise on the comment section. See you later.